Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering off, unplugging, and removing any peripherals so nothing shorts. Once done, ground yourself with an anti-static strap and gather a Phillips #00 and a plastic spudger. Make sure to label screw locations as you remove them because reassembly requires exact placement. You should see the internal frame. Work on a clean, well-lit surface. As you lift the back cover, take photos for reference so you can reverse the steps precisely. You now disconnect the battery to eliminate power while handling display connectors. Once done, locate the display cable, often under tape or a metal clip, and gently unplug it from the board. Take a photo of the connector orientation. Next, remove hinge screws while supporting the display so it does not drop. Make sure to keep screws grouped by hinge side. If the bezel is glued, use a heat source briefly, and a spudger to separate it slowly to avoid crack. You place the replacement screen into the hinge, aligning screw holes, and snug the hinge screws so the panel is stable but adjustable. Reconnect the display cable exactly as photographed, then reconnect the battery and close the back cover loosely to run a power-on test. If the image appears normal, finish tightening screws and snap the bezel or back cover into place. If nothing shows or there are artifacts, check the cable seating and screws, reseat connectors, and test again before finalizing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.